Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Last week, the medical device world saw a quiet tremor run through the European market that has major implications for software and diagnostic companies. A key EU competent authority issued a clarification on the classification of certain in vitro diagnostic software. This was not a new regulation, but a new interpretation, and it has effectively reclassified many products into a higher risk category overnight. Companies that had self-certified their software under Class A of the IVDR are now finding themselves in Class C, requiring extensive notified body oversight. Let's look at a real-world example of this chaos. Consider a software platform that uses an algorithm to analyze patient data and provide a risk score for a specific type of cancer. For years, the manufacturer considered this as an aid, a tool for the clinician, and followed the less burdensome regulatory path. The new interpretation, however, argues that because the software provides critical information that directly influences diagnosis, it falls into a higher risk class. The manufacturer is now facing an immediate and expensive problem. Their technical dossier is insufficient, they lack the required clinical performance data, and they do not have a contract with a notified body for this product. Their product is now non-compliant and must be pulled from the market until it can be recertified, a process that can take more than a year and cost hundreds of thousands of euros. This specific incident is a symptom of a much larger trend in the global medtech landscape. The dream of a harmonized, predictable regulatory environment is fading. Instead, we are seeing increased fragmentation and localized interpretations of broad regulations like the IVDR. A single word clarification from one country's authority can invalidate a market access strategy that took years to build. This regulatory instability is becoming one of the single greatest risks for medtech innovators. It punishes companies that do not have deep, on-the-ground expertise in every target market. Relying on a general understanding of the rules is no longer enough. Businesses must build regulatory strategies that are not just compliant, but also resilient to sudden shifts in interpretation. This requires constant monitoring and a network of local experts who can provide advance warning of these tremors. The cost of being reactive is simply too high. For guidance on navigating these complex and shifting global regulations, contact the experts at Pure Global. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobalinfo.